with 94% of executives using AI weekly, how do we ensure we are augmenting skills rather than making the roles obsolete?
94% number's a little scary, especially if you've got no process baked in. If you've got a team of 20 people, then 19 of them are doing AI that you don't know what they're using AI for. So that's the start, is having processes baked in that you know where the AI is being reliably used. So what you should be seeking to do, whether our solution or any kind of external work, is you're reducing the admin, taking the repetitive steps out of the process, trying to get the professionals, the expertise within your teams focused back on the strategic side, whether that's procurement or frankly any department, trying to get humans involved in the process, using their intuition, using their empathy, complex negotiation skills, working with third parties, not having AI interfaces talking to each other to make sure you're getting the most out of your relationships. So yes, will the skill perhaps be lost to transform an old Excel sheet into the right template version to be uploaded to a system? Maybe, but is that person now going to utilize that skill to get better at having conversations with their suppliers, better at organizing things ahead of time and seeing what spend is coming up soon, better at updating their process? So the skills will always change. Things used to rely on fax machines, and there were expertise who could within fax machines. When your fax machine broke, you'd rely on one person to go fix it, and eventually that went away, and you moved to email. But no one's pining over the loss of the expertise on fax, because ultimately it was a slow, menial step that could be achieved in another way, and that's what we're looking at. Is we're moving to email. We're still doing the same reliable work. We're utilizing the expertise. The same knowledge is going into that email that was being sent by fax, but they can send 10 emails and get that information there hundreds of times faster than they were on the fax machine. And this is the next step of that. Instead of taking step by step, I can do those menial tasks much more quickly.